Hello everyone, welcome to Chaudhary Data World channel. Today I am here with two new DAX functions that are BITRSHIFT and another one is BITLSHIFT. We will be watching both of these DAX functions into this video. So let's get started with the video. Here BITRSHIFT and BITLSHIFT. For that we have taken up two examples over here into this notepad. We will be watching first theoretically that how these two DAX functions work, and then we will jump to Power BI so that we can have a demonstration in front of for each of the DAX functions. So here BITRSHIFT, first we will take up this one. So in this BITRSHIFT, what it is basically expecting two parameters to be passed into it. First parameter is the decimal number, which we want to have shifting applied over there, and another one is the extent to which it will be shifted. So what it does these two wordings mean is, suppose 15 is here, which is the number which is to be considered for shifting. That means bits will be shifted. For that we have taken up the binary. In binary whatever its binary representation of 15 decimal number is, it is we have written over here, that is 1111. How we got this, just you can check over the internet. Let me just take you to this website. The another one is this 15 is here, you can see that 1111, correct. So 1111 has been taken over here. Now it should be shifted by 2 digits, right? So it has, and this is bit R shift, correct? So since it is R shift, that means right shift. That means whole of these 1111 will move to right. That means 2 bits right. So the vacant 2 bits will be replaced with 2 zeros, and when it will be moved to right, it will be able to take only 2 double ones. Rest of the other things it will having here in left 0 0. That means ultimately it is going to be have 1 1, because 0 0 doesn't have any significant over any number, so it is considered as double one. Now this double one, you can check over here into this chart, that double one is the representation, binary representation of decimal number 3, correct. So it is the output which will be provided by Power BI. That's when you will shift bit shift 15 with having 2 as the considerable positions, so it will be returning you the value of decimal number 3. Hope you got this. I will leave this example for now. I will apply this example into the Power BI so that you can get a real-time demonstration that how it is working exactly. Now we will move to BITLSHIFT. It's nothing but it will be applied same way, but instead of shifting the bits to right, that means from here to here, the things will be shifted to left. So how? Suppose bit at LShift, we are passing the first parameter as decimal number 5. Now 5 is represented by 101. You can come here and check it, that what it is representation. Binary representation is 101, correct. Now this 101 is shifted to left since it is L shift. So it is shifted to left, and 2 positions need to be considered from right. If the bits are shifted to left, then the 2 position from right will be considered as 0 0. Now this 101 is in the left, and the rest of the position whatever needs to be shifted is considered at 0 0. So it became 10100. Now if we will come here and 10100, if we will find, we can see that it is represented as 20 as the decimal number. So this is the output by having considered with binary formatted thing. And if we will go with with Power BI, it will also output you with decimal number 20. So we will be watching again this BITLSHIFT of another example into Power BI, and again I will explain how these two functions are working behind the scenes in Power BI. So let's jump to Power BI and we will apply BITRSHIFT there first. We will go here. In this, first we will navigate to table tools, in which we will be having a new column. New column is nothing but it's a calculated column. You can check out the video on calculated column and calculated measure. Very famous concept of Power BI and very important one. So you can check out that video as well. And once this calculated column is created, we will rename this as BITRSHIFT. Now for this we are having dedicated function. So BITRSHIFT, we are having this DAX function which is expecting two numbers, that is number and then shift amount. So number here first we will provide as 10. 10 is the number we are bothered about, and the shift amount we are taking up here is 2. So let's take 2. On click of enter, it will create a calculated column which will be filled up by the result of this BITRSHIFT 10, 2. So it is here for result as 2. So how it is achieving this 2, let me tell you behind the scenes what is going on. This 10 is represented by, let me take you to this chart. 10 is represented by binary number 1010. We have taken it as 1010. Till now it should be fine to you. Now the shift amount is 2. So what we have done is, since it is a R shift, so the things are shifted to right, and the shift amount to both of the places it will come 0, and when it will be shifted to R, then this 10 will be trimmed off and only this 10 will be existing there. So this 10 is here with us. Since 00 in front is not significant to any number, so it will be considered at 10 only. So 10 it has been considered, and if we will check the chart, what 10 is represented for the decimal number, so it is 2 as the decimal number. Hence we got the result as 2. This is the result whatever we got in the Power BI also. Correct? So this was how BITRSHIFT is working. Let me now again create a calculated column for BITLSHIFT, and we will then check how BITLSHIFT is working. We'll rename it as column underscore BITLSHIFT. Now we will take BITLSHIFT again. Again it is expecting two numbers, that is number and then shift amount. Here this time we will take number as 4, 2. So 4 is the number considered of and 2 is the shift amount. Click of enter, we will get the result over here. According to the calculations it should be 16. Let's see what it is giving us. It's also giving 16. Let me explain you the behind the scenes what it is going on. So this 4, it is taken up in the binary format. 4 is written in binary format as 100. Let's check it out. 4 100. Correct? Now this 100 is getting left shifted with amount of 2. So it has been left shifted with amount of 2. Correct? It has been shifted to left. Whatever the original number was, that is 4, it is shifted to left, and in right position 2 positions need to be considered on which 0 will be put over there. So the final number we got is 100 and then 00. Now this 1 over 40 is represented as 1 over 40. You can see here 1 over 40 is represented as 16 as the decimal number, which we got in the Power BI as well and with the binary calculations also. So hope this is clear to you now. If you found this video helpful, kindly give a thumbs up to the video, and if any confusion, you let me know into the comment section. Thank you so much for watching the videos. Stay tuned to the channel for upcoming DAX functions. Thanks again.